In today's class, we want to discuss and a new function. What is the function? The function is just here to assist us, to help us look into ourselves and write out the function or the formula that was used in what and the sum. Now, what's the advantage of this? Just sometimes by what you might have a particular document whereby we've used different functions. So the process of you saying that you want to be clicking on it one by one and checking the formula, you might by mistake do something that will alter the formula and by that affecting what the formula. So instead of doing that, going through the process of clicking one by one and checking, there's another way you can actually use, which is a function in a Microsoft Excel, but you can use to look into your documents, look into yourself and check what is that particular function that you have in there. And at times also, you can't just tell that okay, this is a particular what calculated column. Okay, they get this particular column from what to calculation. You can't just what say that at times. Exactly. So how do we now know if something that is calculated column that means that it was gotten from what? From doing probably any calculation at all. And the way we do this is by using what? A particular function in Microsoft Excel, which help us what? The first one is will help us say if this thing is a calculated column or what or not. The second one will now tell us okay, this is a function, this is the formula that I was using. And for example, now let me use around 10. So I have one, I have 90 here. So now me looking at this, okay, let me just write a here. Me looking at this, I don't know if I cannot say if it's just what if it's a calculated column or not. So how do I go about this? The first thing I need to check is I want to know if it's actually what a calculated what column that means it was what it was derived or if it's what with a particular function or formula. Is to say equals to is formula. I first click on this. So that means yes, it's actually what a formula. I can use this. Then after that, I will now say okay, equals to formula text. Now I click on this. So enter. You can see it. It has brought written what the formula text that was used in this particular software. So I believe we've get something new today and we've learned how to use it, both the is formula and the formula text. So subsequently, you're going to stress yourself by saying you want to be clicking on this. So because by doing so, you might what do mistake that might cost you to alter yourself, or alter the formula, which might what start giving you some errors in your cells. So instead of that, you just use the is formula, then you use formula text. In fact, you can just use formula text directly without using the is formula. Exactly. So I believe you gained something new again. Thanks for watching. Miss next class. Bye.